Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Pod English Stories. I'm Maya, and I'm so excited to be here today. And this is Leo. Leo, are you okay? Why are you so quiet?
Hi, everyone. I'm Leo, and I had the worst day yesterday.
Oh no, what happened? Tell me.
Maya, I went to a party last night. My friend invited me. I was so excited.
That sounds nice. Parties are fun.
No, Maya. It was a disaster. A complete disaster.
Why? What happened?
I arrived at the party. I saw a nice person. I walked up to them. I smiled. I said, hello.
Okay, and then?
And then nothing. Silence. Complete silence. I just stood there. They stood there. We both just looked at the ceiling.
Oh no, the awkward silence.
Yes, the awkward silence. It was terrible, Maya. I wanted to say something, but my brain was empty, completely empty.
Everyone, have you ever experienced this? You want to talk, but you don't know what to say? Comment, yes, that's me, if you understand Leo's pain.
Please tell me I'm not the only one. Please tell me this happens to other people too.
Leo, this is so common. This happens to everyone. Even native speakers experience awkward silence.
Really? Even native speakers?
Yes. But today, we're going to fix this problem forever.
Really? You can help me?
Absolutely. Today, I'm going to teach you the secret to keeping a conversation going forever.
Forever? That's a long time.
Everyone watching, do you freeze when you try to talk to someone? Do you run out of things to say? Today, we're teaching you the ping-pong technique.
Ping pong? Like the sport with the little ball?
Exactly. But first, before we reveal this secret, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes. Everyone, please hit that subscribe button right now.
And smash that like button. It really helps us create more videos to help you with your English.
And if you've ever experienced awkward silence, leave a comment. Tell us, save me from awkward silence, so we know you need this lesson.
We read every single comment, and your support means everything to us.
Okay, Maya, please help me. What is this ping pong thing? How does it work?
Okay, Leo, listen carefully. This is going to change your life.
I'm listening.
Okay, Leo, listen carefully. This is going to change your life.
I'm listening.
Okay, conversation is like a ping pong game. Do you understand? Like table tennis.
You mean with a ball and paddles?
Exactly. In ping pong, what happens? I hit the ball to you, you hit it back to me. I hit it to you, you hit it back. Back and forth, back and forth.
Oh, so conversation is like hitting a ball back and forth.
Yes, exactly. In conversation, I hit the ball by asking you a question. You hit the ball back by answering and asking me a question.
So I answer and then I ask.
Perfect. You got it. Let me show you. Let's do a role play. I'll ask you a question.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hey, Leo, how was your weekend?
Good.
Stop. Everyone, did you see what Leo did wrong?
What? What did I do?
You dropped the ball, Leo. The ball fell on the ground. The game is over.
Oh no. Because I only said good and nothing else.
Exactly. You answered my question, but you didn't hit the ball back. You didn't ask me a question.
So what should I say?
You should say, good, I went to the park. How about you? How was your weekend?
Oh, so I answer and then I ask, how about you?
Yes. How about you is the magic phrase. It keeps the ball in the game.
How about you and you? What about you?
Perfect. Those are all great ways to hit the ball back.
To the camera, everyone practice with us. When someone asks you a question, always end with how about you or and you. Write it in the comments.
Yes. And if this is helpful, please hit that like button. It helps us so much.
Okay, Maya, I understand the ping pong rule, But Maya, I have another problem.
What's that?
What do I talk about? What questions do I ask? Do I ask about physics, politics, philosophy?
No, no, no. Leo, you're making it too complicated.
I am?
Yes, you're making it too complicated. You don't need to talk about difficult topics. Keep it simple. There are three safe topics that always work.
3 safe topics? Tell me.
Topic number one, the weather.
The weather? That's so boring.
No, Leo, the weather is perfect for starting a conversation. Everyone talks about the weather.
Really? What do I say?
You can say, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? Or, the weather is nice today. Or, it's so cold outside.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Perfect. And you know what? This is called breaking the ice.
Breaking the ice? But there's no ice.
Breaking the ice is an idiom. It means making the atmosphere comfortable, starting the conversation, making things less awkward.
Oh, so talking about the weather breaks the ice.
Exactly. It's easy, it's safe, and everyone can talk about it.
Okay, I can do that. What's topic number 2?
Topic number two, food.
Food? I love food.
Everyone loves food. That's why it's a perfect topic.
Curious, what do I say about food?
If you're at a cafe, you can say, do you like the coffee here? Or, this cake looks delicious. Or, I love pizza. Do you like pizza?
Oh, I can talk about pizza. I love pizza.
Perfect. See? You already have something to talk about.
Everyone, what's your favorite food? Comment and tell us. Maybe we can use it in a conversation.
Yes, and food is great because it can lead to other topics. You can talk about restaurants, cooking, travel, culture.
Wow, one topic can lead to many topics.
Exactly. That's how conversations grow.
Okay, what's topic number 3?
Topic number three, the weekend.
Oh, everyone loves weekends.
Exactly. You can ask, do you have plans for the weekend? Or, how was your weekend? Or, what do you usually do on weekends?
Do you have plans for the weekend? That's easy.
Yes, and this topic always works because everyone has weekends and everyone likes to talk about their free time.
So the 3 safe topics are weather, food, and weekends.
Perfect. You got it.
Everyone, which topic do you like best? Weather, food, or weekends? Tell us in the comments.
And if you're learning something new, don't forget to hit that like button.
Okay, Maya, I can start a conversation now. I can talk about weather, food, or weekends. But what do I do while the other person is talking?
Great question. This is very important. You need to show that you're listening.
Show that I'm listening? How?
You can't just stand there with a blank face, staring at them like a statue.
Like this?
Yes, that's terrible. You look like a robot.
Okay, so what should I do?
You need to use reaction words. These are words that show you're interested and paying attention.
Reaction words? Like what?
The magic word is really?
Really?
Yes, really is perfect. It shows surprise and interest.
Really? Really? Really?
Yes, but don't say it too much. Let me give you more examples.
Okay, tell me more.
You can say, wow, when something is surprising or impressive.
Whoa.
Yes, but maybe a little less dramatic.
Wow. That's cool.
Much better. You can also say, that sounds nice, or that sounds terrible, depending on what they're telling you.
Oh, so if they say something good, I say, that sounds nice. And if they say something bad, I say, that sounds terrible.
Exactly. You're matching their emotion. This is called empathy.
That sounds amazing. That sounds awful. That sounds interesting.
Perfect. You're getting it.
Everyone practice with us. Say really, wow, that sounds nice. Write your favorite reaction word in the comments.
Yes, and these small words make a big difference in your conversations.
I feel like I'm learning so much. I can start conversations, I can keep them going, I can show I'm listening.
You're doing great, Leo.
But Maya, what if I want to stop the conversation? What if I'm tired? What if the person is boring?
Ah, good question. You need to know how to exit a conversation politely.
Exit politely? What does that mean?
It means ending the conversation in a nice way without being rude.
Can I just say bye and run away?
No, Leo, that's very rude.
Oh, so what should I say?
You should say something like, "It was nice talking to you, but I have to go now."
It was nice talking to you, but I have to go now.
Perfect. This is polite because you're thanking them for the conversation and you're giving a reason why you're leaving.
So I don't just disappear, I explain that I need to go.
Exactly. You can also say, "I need to meet a friend," or "I have an appointment," or "I should get going."
I should get going. I need to meet someone. I have to run.
Great. And always end with something friendly like, "See you later," or "Have a nice day."
It was nice talking to you. See you later.
Perfect. Now you know how to start, continue, and end a conversation.
I feel like I'm learning so much. I can start conversations, I can keep them going, I can show I'm listening.
You're doing great, Leo.
Leo, let me ask you something. If you go to another party tomorrow, what will you do?
Well, first, I'll break the ice by talking about the weather.
Good. And then? Then I'll ask about food or weekend plans.
Excellent. And while they're talking,
I'll use reaction words. Really? Wow, that sounds nice.
perfect. And don't forget,
Don't forget to hit the ball back. Always ask, how about you? Or, and you?
yes, you got it. You understand the ping-pong rule.
My ping pong paddle is ready, Maya. I'm ready to play.
That's the spirit.
Everyone, are you ready too? Are you ready to never stay silent again?
If you're ready, comment, "I'm ready," and tell us which safe topic you'll use first.
Will you talk about weather, food, or weekends?
And here's a question for everyone. When you meet someone new, what's the first question you ask?
Yes. Do you ask, where are you from? Or what do you do? Or something else?
Comment your answer. We want to know your favorite conversation starter.
And maybe we can learn from each other. Maybe someone has a great question we never thought of.
Exactly. We're all learning together.
You know, Maya, I learned something important today.
What's that?
Conversation isn't scary. It's just like a game, like ping pong.
That's right. It's a game where everyone wins.
And I don't need to be perfect. I just need to hit the ball back.
Exactly. Don't worry about saying the perfect thing. Just keep the conversation going.
Everyone, remember, conversation is a game. Just hit the ball back.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Native speakers make mistakes too.
The important thing is to try, to practice, to keep playing.
Yes, every conversation is practice. Every conversation makes you better.
So next time you see someone, don't be shy. Just say hello and start playing ping pong.
And if you need help, come back to this video. Watch it again. Practice with us.
Okay, everyone, let's review what we learned today.
Great idea. Let's summarize.
Number 1, conversation is like ping pong. Hit the ball back by asking, how about you?
Number 2, use the 3 safe topics: weather, food, and weekends.
Number 3, show you're listening with reaction words like really and wow.
And number 4, exit politely by saying, "It was nice talking to you, but I have to go now."
If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up.
And subscribe to Pod English Stories for more English conversation tips.
We believe in you. You can do this.
Don't be afraid. Just start talking.
Just hit the ball.
Yes, just hit the ball.
And everyone, remember, awkward silence is normal. Everyone experiences it.
But now you have the tools to break that silence.
You have your ping pong paddle. You're ready.
Okay, everyone, before we go, one more time. What's your favorite conversation starter?
Comment right now. Where are you from? Or what do you do? Or something else.
Want to read your comments and maybe make another video about your questions.
Yes, we love hearing from you.
Thank you so much for watching Pod English Stories.
You're the best. We appreciate every single one of you.
See you in the next video.
See you next time, and don't be shy.
Just hit the ball.
Ping pong, ping pong.
Next time at a party, don't just stare at the ceiling.
I won't, I promise. I'll talk about the weather.
Good luck, Leo, and good luck to everyone watching.
Remember, you're not alone. We're all learning together.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.
See you next time, and don't be shy.
Just hit the ball.